everybody, it is JNC here, and today
we got the Hot Wheels Mega Ramp.
we do, and we're both in the
Both
camera
framed.
because we got Shrank filming. It's a great day. It is a great day. It's a great summer day. The first video after Car Olympics always feels a little eerie
Yeah.
because we're so used to Car Olympics, but it's still summer, so it's a little odd, but we're here and we're ready.
We're done
So-
with like all the stuff, the big stuff of the year.
Yeah,
We're
we're
kind of
all-
onto the.
We're just kind of on wrapping things up for 2025, even though we still have like 5 months left.
Yeah.
So
We get new cars. We get new cars. Like not new cars, but we get.
we get
different-
racers that did not make Car
So
Olympics
we've been with the
today,
same
so-
16 for 10 videos straight.
Yes. So here are our cars for the day. What we did, we had 11 cars not make Car Olympics.
Yep.
So all 11 cars that didn't make Car Olympics are in this episode, and we also have 5 cars that did.
So
Hook.
we have our podium.
Hook, Electro, or sorry, no, not, why did I say Electro? Hook, Sheriff, Utopia, Ocho, and Red Police.
Yeah.
Those are the 5 that did make Car Olympics that are in this episode. Every other car did not.
We also wanted to mention that it kind of, if you didn't watch Car Olympics first, go check that out. But in episode 10, we did retire Dart and Vampire.
Yes, Dart and Vampire are retired. I know we kind of mentioned it quickly, but Dart and Vampire are gone. They are enjoying retirement, and we'll have a ceremony for them and the rest of the other cars coming some point later this year.
I might have said that like all like the brother rival duos are gone, but I guess I forgot we have Joker and Aqua still. So.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So that's good. We have something going still.
Yes. So that is our groups for this episode. It's nice because once a car is out, they're out. We don't have to keep racing them to find their place. We're only looking for podium.
Yep. Don't have
So-
to worry about points anymore.
Don't have to worry about points. So this is our track for the day. It's Mega Ramp. So it's this big gymnastics mat here. We start them here on this track right on the line. It's hot. Ooh, it's hot. It's already warm. They zoom down the track, come all the way down. You want to kind of be straight. And we put up some obstacles here. We did the Squigz laying down. They might actually be more of an obstacle laying down than up because, there's more space. So they're going to get hit. But the big thing is, me and Caleb, we're not going to adjust them.
Once they get hit and they get moved, they get moved.
Yes. So we're not going to change anything. We have the ref and Big Boy out there with the podium watching. So, yeah, let's get on to it. All right, so our first group here, we have Liftoff, Drifter, Turbo Jr., and Hook. Hook got 3rd place in Car Olympics, and these 3 other cars are cars that did not make it.
It's 4 eliminate 2. So.
4 eliminate 2, the usual concept. So Shrank is filming. Caleb's just kind of be talking about the runs, and I'm gonna be putting the cars down. Alrighty, first car coming down, Liftoff. It's been a while since we've seen him.
Did not make Car Olympics, and
Ooh, avoids the Squigz.
that's a good start.
That's a pretty good start. Next up, Drifter. Hasn't done much recently. He looks like a good car, but he's not.
Whoa!
Yeah. Almost hit Caleb.
I might have to stand on this.
Yep. Next up, Turbo Jr. He's one of the only 2 shining stars that did not make Car Olympics. Ooh, straight down the middle.
Oh!
Oh, he hit a Squig.
He hit a Squig.
Right
Squig-
behind Liftoff, right?
Yep, he's just behind him. So, as it stands right now, Liftoff and Turbo Jr. will be moving on.
Last car, Hook. Congratulations, Hook, on the 3rd place in Car Olympics.
It's not really one of his tracks, so I guess
Yeah,
we'll
let's
see what
see.
happens.
Oh, way off to the side. Wow. So, Drifter and Hook are eliminated.
He's pretty even with Drifter there. But
Yep.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter their place or anything. We're just taking the top 2. So
Yep. So then,
Turbo Jr. and
Turbo
Liftoff.
Jr. and Liftoff are good. Next group here, we have, Electro. Electro, Fire Truck. Oh, this is a big group, actually. Electro, Fire Truck, Sheriff, and Utopia.
Sheriff coming off that Car Olympics win, as you all
Car
know.
Olympics winner.
He's won Demolition Derby, World Cup, and Car Olympics this year.
Just this year alone, so he is on his way to Car of the Year.
But this track might not be for him, so we'll see how it
Electro
goes.
starting us off.
Welcome
His
back,
first
Electro.
time not making Car Olympics. This is his first race in a while. Way off to the side. Ooh, not good.
First race since losing to Dragster in the World Cup.
Yeah.
And then I guess the qualifiers as well.
Fire truck.
Whoa!
Way off to the right. Wow. So Electro might have a chance. He hit the pot. Sheriff! He always gets these open opportunities. Let's see. Again, way off to the right. What is happening? Electro might actually be able to advance.
Sheriff still ahead of Fire Truck, though.
Utopia.
That's
Straight
easy.
down. That's easy for Utopia. Wow. So Sheriff does not advance, but I mean, you could expect that. For some reason, he's bad at regular episodes.
Yeah, his run might be done. You might not see him on that podium for a while. Now,
Yeah.
he doesn't care anymore.
It's weird. He's so good in majors, and then these regular episodes come along, and he's just like, whatever. So Sheriff and Fire Truck are eliminated, and Electro and Utopia move on. So we got a nice, beautiful setup there. Third group here, we have Aqua, who you haven't seen in a while. Red Police, second place in Car Olympics. Albino and Big Rig. Also second in World Cup, and these are also two cars that did not make Car Olympics.
So Albino, the other shining star, did not make it.
Aqua.
Aqua, welcome back.
Welcome back, Aqua. Whoa, way off to the right. Wow.
He kind of saves it a little bit.
Yep. Red Police. All right, solid.
Off to the right as well. Does get further than Aqua though, which is good.
Albino. Ooh, open chance for Red Police. And Big Rig.
Whoa.
They're all going to the right. Wow, that is odd.
So Big Rig and Red Police will just take that one.
Yeah, easily for them. Aqua and Albino are eliminated. So, there we go. Wow.
Those are 6.
Yep, those are 6 so far. Like that. Next up, we have the last group, Cobra, Hot Rod, Ocho, and Joker. Ocho's the only car in this group that made Car Olympics. And
Yeah.
Cobra is still looking for that first win. And
Yeah.
is it 6 years now?
It's been over 6 years.
Over 6 years.
It was in the 2019 Car Olympics where he got the final win.
Mm-hmm. And here he is starting us off. Oh, straight down the middle! Ooh, that
Wow.
was pretty good. He might advance.
That might be one of the best runs of the day, actually.
Hot Rod coming up next. Straight down the middle. Ooh, did he pass him?
It's close. It's very close.
Ocho, 4th place in Car Olympics, broke 100 points actually. Wow, this is a good group.
And they are making it tough for Cobra to get that
Jeez.
win.
Cobra and Joker. Way off. So the question is Cobra and Hot Rod.
It is tight between those two.
It is tight.
It is very tight.
I think. Ooh, come down closer here. So we know Ocho is good, and we know Joker is eliminated.
Wow, that is tight.
This is close.
I think we just do a race off.
Yeah.
So we'll put both of them down again and just see.
Yeah. Yep.
So we know Ocho advanced. Joker did not.
Joker eliminated. Ocho advanced. Do a re-race between Cobra and Hot Rod.
It's weird that the group with 3 guys that didn't make Car Olympics was the best group.
Yeah. Cobra starting us off. Oh! That is a Cobra thing to happen.
Wow.
Nails the deck post. And Hot Rod, this is an easy win for him. Wow.
So Cobra
Sad.
somehow ends up in the hardest group and then messes up in his 1v1 chance.
Sad.
So he is
We're,
gone.
we're trying to give him opportunities. He's in most episodes. And he's bad.
He said he's not retiring until he gets a win.
He said he's not retiring until he gets a win. He's one of a few OGs left. So,
Yep. Just
Yeah.
him, Zoomer, and Hook.
yep. So come over here and we can see our next groups here.
So it's 2 groups of 4 again.
Two groups of 4. It's not like 8 in Car Olympics. So the winners of this will go to the podium round. So our first group, we have Turbo Junior, Liftoff, Electro, and Utopia. Good group to start us off.
So top 2 go to the podium round. Bottom 2 are gone.
Turbo Junior starting us off. Straight down the center.
Wow.
Wow, what a great run.
He was fast down that track.
Liftoff. Whoa!
He's fast as well. These cars, you can tell this is getting close to that podium
Yeah.
round.
Yep. Electro, he had a bad first run. He just got lucky. That's pretty good.
Not enough though.
Not enough.
He's behind Liftoff and Turbo Junior.
And last but not least, Utopia.
Not enough as well.
Not enough.
That is it for Electro Utopia.
Wow.
As Liftoff and Turbo
Surprise
Junior
there.
will be playing for a podium spot. Look at that.
2 cars that did not make Car Olympics. But they were all in this episode, so it makes sense.
So the whole stacked group is gone.
Yeah.
Electro, Utopia, Sheriff, and I think Fire Truck.
Yeah.
They're all gone from that first group. And then here's our 2 advancing to the next
Yep,
round.
so they're going to be in the podium round. Next group here, we have Red Police, Big Rig, Ocho, and Hot Rod.
Big Rig took down Red Police in the World Cup. And he did not make Car Olympics.
Red Police starts us off. Oh, terrible. Wow. Sad day for Red Police. We're going to have a bit of a weird...
Forgot to mention, but Red Police was actually chasing a 3-peat at the moment.
Yeah, he was, because he won episode 9 and 10 of Car Olympics. Big Rig next up.
I think he's ahead of Red Police.
Yep. Next we have Ocho. Oh yeah. Oh!
Hits that squig.
And Hot Rod. Wow.
So Ocho and
Okay.
Hot Rod.
Ocho and Hot Rod advancing to the final. So a little bit of an odd podium here, but not too bad.
Yeah, we could get a full podium of non-Car Olympics racers.
Mm-hmm. Big Rig and Red Police eliminated.
It just kind of makes sense since we did have more.
We had 11, so that makes sense. So the only car in here that was in Car Olympics is Ocho, and we have 3 fresh era cars and 1 shining star. Wait, no, 4 fresh air.
2 fresh air cars, 2 shining stars.
Yes, yeah, there we go. There we go. Took a
They
second.
kind of get a little blended together.
Yeah, fresh
They're
and shining stars
both
get.
introduced
Yeah.
in around the same time. I guess a year apart.
Yeah.
But
So, Liftoff is starting us off. Liftoff is the opposite of Sheriff. He does better in these sorts of episodes. Sheriff does better in... Alright. Liftoff.
whoa,
Okay. Pretty solid.
you covered it a little bit.
Remember, you get what you get. Turbo Junior.
Oh,
Hit a
hits the
squig.
orange. The orange squig tripped him up.
Passes Liftoff still, though. Next up, we have Hot Rod.
And he is behind Turbo Junior.
And then Ocho. Let's see.
I think this might be Turbo Junior's first win if Ocho cannot pass it.
He will!
That could be Ocho's first win as well.
Wow.
Maybe not.
So Liftoff misses the podium. Sorry, Liftoff. Ocho first. Ocho first. Turbo Junior second. And Hot Rod third. We can put him on the podium here.
Yep. So Ocho, he's
He's really, I mean, he's showing us something.
he's coming off a
4th place in Car Olympics, and the competition was really good. I mean, you're not going to beat that top 3. Sheriff, Red Police, Hook, you're not. So he did very good. So there you go.
that's our podium.
That is our podium. Fun episode today.
And we're back from Car Olympics, so
Yep.
expect these kind of videos for the next couple weeks.
Yep.
2 a
Still
week.
summer, 2 a week, and then
We'll take it from there.
we'll take it from there. Once school starts, things may get slowed down a little bit. But we got a while.
Could see another channel update.
Could see channel update 3 at some point. So, with that, congratulations, Ocho. He's a rising star. Not part of that era, but he's a
It
rising
always
star.
confuses me when we say that, but
Yeah,
he's a shining star air car.
he's a shining star era car. So with that, we're JNC. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.